Yeah, hello guys. So now I think you have some idea about Jmeter and how we are doing using Jmeter, like that we are testing and load testing and like that performance testing using the Jmeter. I think you have some good idea about that. So if you don't have some that much of basic idea, you can stop the video and you can go back to watch our Jmeter basic video. Then you will get clear idea about. Then you can start watching from here. So today I am showing how to install Jmeter. So for this thing, before that installing Jmeter, you need to install Java. So the Java is a mandatory thing. So you need to install Java first of all. Then we will after that we will install Jmeter. So coming to Java installation, I am showing now Java installation. So Java 1.8 you can install any one thing, so not an issue. So it's will know most of one use like Java 1.8. So that's the thing I am selecting priority. So you can accept license here, then you can 64 Windows 64 bit, right? So you can download this thing. So that's the enough. So after that this is the exe file. After you clicking this exe file, it will be installing. So after that you can set the variables, like that path means. So system variables, you need to set environmental variables. In the computer you can select advanced system settings. After that environmental variables, so where the exe file like the java jdk file was installed, you can after installation you will get that java folder one. So in that java folder you can get the bin folder. From that bin you can select that path. Just you are giving here like that new means new or edit, you can give here the path. That's the enough. So after that it will be installed proper or not, like the java it will be installed proper or not, we will select here in the we will see here in the command prompt. So like that java version. So see, this is the java version. So we'll check here for the java version also, because we are not able to select properly means the Jmeter will not open perfectly. That's the thing. So after that we will download Jmeter. See, coming to Jmeter, we have different types of versions. Before, most of them using like the 3.1. In the 3.1 we have workbench. It's the temporary files, temporary usage using the workbench means we are using saving files in the temporary here in that workbench. But it's not there now. We are using workbench is not there from 3 version onwards. Now we are download latest version. Now we will see how we will download also. We will get here so binaries and source codes in the Apache Jmeter, and that source code here. So in that, if you download in that source code versions zip file means we will modify that the application, like the changing the UI functionalities and the some. If you know that very well at good and Java, so you can modify that source file, and then you can extract and you can use that, not an issue. So we actually our part is we need to test. We are using the Jmeter to perform performance testing or load testing. That's it. So you can download this one, Apache Jmeter. If you click on this one, it will be automatically it will be downloaded. Actually I was downloaded already, so I am no need to here downloading. So that's the thing, you download this thing, just you click on next for like that VLC media player, right? So that's the thing. So now I will show here. See here, Apache Jmeter 5.51. So this is the folder it will be installed. So you can select here, right, bin is the bin Apache Jmeter. This is the executable file. This is the Apache Jmeter temporary certificate. So for this certificate we will take separate class, because this certificate installation is mandatory nowadays. Because if you don't install this certificate, you can't record the you can't record the UI elements using the Chrome or Firefox. We will take another class session for this one. So now we will open the Jmeter. Just we can click double click, so it will be open. So this is the theme here. This is the I'll explain the basic functionality about Jmeter now. This is the file like that new, we can create the new one. So this is the tester plan. So if you have already the file will be there, you can click on open. So that's the thing, it will be asked to open where it will be stored like that. So edit and search options and run these are run start options and tool. So this is the help here. See, this is the options look and feel. We can change that functional like that. The color it will be like, now it's in the Sula, so it will be like that metal, the color, the look, feel, the function will be changed like white pure metal or like that. It will, whatever it will, maybe you can set whatever you feel comfort. That's the thing. So we can see log viewer, log, we will discuss clearly about in the coming sessions, not an issue. We can see here about the help. If you have control plus H, you can press, you will get the help session, so there is no worries about and all. This is the play button. You can run that, start session here. You can run that script. So this is the clear. So for that, now I can create one thread. I can access request from one server. So then I need to clear that one, then again I need to run means, so then I can use this clear. So this clear all means you can clear all, so not an issue. This is a reset set. So this is the test plan basic. So next video we'll discuss about test plan and how to add the thread groups and assertions and listeners. So very detailed we can discuss, not an issue. So thanks for watching guys, keep subscribe. Thanks for